Now it's
experiment time! Roar!
now you're suffering to your after-grating syndrome. We will make a simple chromatography experiment. Think paper chromatography. Marker. The goal is to achieve the best separation of black marker pigments using paper chromatography.
Chromatography is a force that moves water and other solvents in the sample up the paper strip.
Remember, we'll go further and the less soluble will stay on the start of the line.
Using chromatography, we can many components are in paint, ink, markers, as well as natural dyes and leaf extra.
As long as it's colored, we can see their components. For our experiment, we need chromatography paper, filter paper, pencil, chamber, marker, red pencil pen, scissors, and solvent, the vinegar. So let's step 1. Chromatography strip out of coffee filter. The length of the strip depends on the height of the chamber. The width does not matter. So you should measure it. Next step, draw a pencil line 1 inch from the bottom of the strip. It will be used start line. For our black marker experiment, draw a short line along the start line. If you are trying to separate something else, put your samples on the start line with small capillary or toothpick. Then the red pencil pen. Pour solvent into the chromatography chamber jar just to cover the bottom. Here is the vinegar in our chamber. Put the strip of the chromatography paper with samples in the chromatography chamber so that bottom of the strip touch the solvent. Important. Start line should stay above. You'll see how the solvent climbs like this. Remove paper from the chamber when solvent front or inch or 2 away from the top of it, or it doesn't move up anymore. So this doesn't move up, so I remove it. Where the solvent front is and where are the middle of the color spots, if you're lucky to get any. This is the front. Then this was the end. Write the solvent combination and proportions on the strip for future reference.
Okay.
So the red turned in pink. Here is another example. As you can see, we start from the red dot and it climbs up with an orange, then turn into yellow.
Wow.
Naomi, selection of the right solvent for chromatography is very important. See the experiment.
most
Presuming process.
consuming process to
So be patient.
be
Patient.
patient.
As you can see, we have consumed 30 minutes for climb for the sample.
Keeping records will help you organize your data.
It is actually pretty result. Red marker chromatography using combination of vinegar in 10:1 proportion as mobile phase. James. Now it's time for
Understanding the results.
the number of these spots tell you how many compounds there. And because we have only one spot, right? So we have only one spot.
You can identify chemical substance by paper chromatology. But you can roughly analyze the mixture with a simple technique.
So that's it. It's such a color-busting experiment. Look how it is. Red, orange, then yellow.
By the way, we would like to thank Shine Pie Pentel Pen for the Pentel Pen.
Thanks to Miss De Ocampo too for our filter paper.
So I think we're gonna have a rest now. So bye-bye.
Poor latecomer. I think he's so tired.
Thank you for watching us. So we are expecting that you have appreciated our work. Thank you.